From real-world innovation to sci-fi imagination, the Southern Gate to Heaven project paints a grander blueprint for humankind. Warning. Alien fighters entering your zone. Quantity 2. Contact in 1 second. Engage immediately. White Emperor copies. In the film, the White Emperor fighter, escorted by 2 drones, is ambushed by alien craft. Warning. Lockdown. Warning. Lockdown. The White Emperor uses its drones to successfully counterattack. Target locked. Target locked. Within the Southern Gate project, the 1,000-ton aerospace carrier Skyrock measures 242 meters in length with a wingspan of 684 meters. Max takeoff weight reaches 120,000 tons, carrying 88 Mysterious Lady unmanned aerospace fighters. The Mysterious Lady is designed as an unmanned air superiority fighter. The massive medium circulation generators on the fuselage, paired with forward-swept wings, create a striking visual impact. It combines high maneuverability, stealth, and intelligence. As an aerospace fighter, it is powered by an inductive force field drive. It flies not only within the atmosphere, but also combat-ready in outer space, armed with particle cannons and hypersonic missiles. Afterburners on. Takeoff. How will future aerospace fighters evolve? At every airshow, these sci-fi aerospace fighters draw massive attention. The Southern Gate to Heaven IP has returned. This time, the White Emperor is here on site. Compared to the last generation, the concept has undergone further upgrades and iterations. First, the aerodynamic shape has been improved. The most striking change is the vertical tail. The previous concept of the White Emperor featured variable sweep wings. Now, the vertical tail has a drooping aerodynamic design. At the same time, in the concept, the internal weapons bay has been enlarged to increase its missile capacity. The avionics system has also been upgraded for better combat in near space and outer space. Conceptually, this fighter is the flagship of the Southern Gate project. Over here, its compatible air-to-air missiles are on display. Looking at the missile body, it is quite long. It is much larger than the air-to-air missiles currently in service. The concept's stealthy exterior and complex variable wing assembly make the White Emperor look like a flying transformer. It uses all-aspect stealth and switches freely between manned and unmanned modes. It features drone command and adaptive engine technologies. Interchangeable mission modules allow for quick roll switching. The variable wing structure adjusts aerodynamics in real time based on altitude, speed, and attitude. There's something new in the project. The newly unveiled Purple Fire V or STOL platform shimmers with a purple metallic luster, showcasing the Chinese romantic notion of purple air from the east. Angular, stylish body with a futuristic sci-fi design. Ground effect ducts and tilting nacelles. The Purple Fire V or STOL platform has a projected speed of 7,00800 km/h. It's built for low gravity and thin atmosphere. Purple Fire supports both manned and unmanned modes, capable of autonomous and formation flight. It can handle rescue and supply delivery in dangerous zones, showing great multi-mission versatility. These 3 concepts from aerodynamics to engines, flight modes, and weaponry differ significantly from modern fighters. They are truly armed to the teeth with sci-fi tech. In the Southern Gate project, these imaginative designs may still be in the conceptual stage, but their frontier concepts like adaptation and aerospace integration are setting a vital course for the future of aviation and space technology.
never got anyone's help. I had to do it all
This is a visionary
myself.
innovation geared toward the future. In an era of rapid technological iteration, the greatest hurdle isn't tech but our mindset. The project integrates hypersonic flight, dual mode, propulsion, metamaterial stealth, adaptive, airframes, autonomous swarms, AI decision-making, directed energy weapons, and aerospace round trips into a cohesive system of sci-fi fighters. This vision represents not just a hope for future aerospace dominance, but the direction of our efforts to defend Earth's aerospace security. For these frontier technologies, it's not a question of if, but which first and when all.